Monday base. Pardon? I told you like that, but I was asked to speak on Monday, so I have not given opportunity today. They said the national anthem was sung twice, nothing wrong. The only nation, Desi gives the national song once or twice, nothing wrong in it. About the song, national song only, nothing wrong in it. What resolution? Meghdadu is, we have to protect the interest of Tamil Nadu, we have to. All unanimously we have wanted to protect the interest of Tamil Nadu. I will be asked to give opportunity on Monday. I am speaking on Monday. Yes. No, not purposefully. I met the speaker. I was not given opportunity. Then they said you can speak on Monday. So I'll be. But they even yesterday news also they said that they will be providing. For technical reasons, I don't know. Yes, we protested. We had agitation yesterday. Yesterday we had in Rajaratnam Stadium. So we are not happy with the present law and order enforcement. Yes. No, that's Monday I am talking. No. I met the speaker. I said I should be given an opportunity. He agreed. He said on Monday he will be giving it. Pardon? Meghdadu just to protect, yes, to protect the interest of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Oh, yes. Even the Congress government, they are part of this ruling government. They are also supporting and they are telling their counterpart is the Congress ruled by the Congress in Karnataka. But they are taking truce, and so there is a Tamil Nadu Congress and Karnataka Congress, and what is the All India Congress, we don't know. Naturally, since they are the alliance, they should protect the interest of the ruling government. No, they are legitimate. They should be realistic because they are part of the government. And anything comes against the interest of the Tamil Nadu, they are supposed to protect. But they are telling our Congress is supporting, and their counterpart Congress in Karnataka, they are not supporting. So we don't know how many Congress in India. No. At any cost, Tamil Nadu's welfare is taken by our Modi ji. Our Modi ji is very keen in helping not only Tamil Nadu. He knows what are the rights of the individual state. He is prepared to help the state. He never, at the cost of one state, whether he is ruled by BJP or not. They are not for that. He is always interested in developing Tamil Nadu, though we are not ruling here. So that all on assumptions and to give discredit to our Modi ji.